The dreaded surge has hit the entire nation, which also has states once again pushing mask wearing and new rules to require the shot.
And this is why, in the last month, weekly Oregon case counts have nearly quadrupled from just over 1,000 in that first week in July to more than 4,000 just last week.
And that really paints the picture. Add to this, more than 800 new daily cases were reported today in Oregon. Now, Portland's mayor is taking a hard look at requiring city workers to get a shot.
Yeah, Lisa Balick looking into this. She joins us live from downtown South Waterfront. Lisa, what's the latest?
Well, the mayor is trying to figure out a way to protect thousands of city workers and the thousands of people who they come in contact with every day. But getting the approval takes more than just the mayor's seal of approval. Ask anyone working in critical care at a hospital right now who's coming in with COVID.
Those that we're seeing that are needing ICU care, breathing tubes, ECMO, any of the things that are like last resort life-sustaining measures, they're all unvaccinated.
Hundreds fighting COVID now, starting to fill up Oregon hospital beds. Almost 100 in intensive care units, fighting a disease that can be prevented with a shot.
We haven't had a break from this. This pandemic is not over. This has been a long haul. We feel very stretched thin.
With COVID cases climbing and no way to tell if someone near you is vaccinated, we're seeing a move towards vaccine and mask requirements. Today, Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler putting City Council on notice. He'll ask them to support requiring the thousands of city workers to be vaccinated.
If I had the ability to act unilaterally, I would support vaccination for all city employees or regular testing to demonstrate that people are not coming into our workplace potentially spreading COVID.
Governor Kate Brown is looking at whether to require state workers to get vaccinated, and more people are masking up.
The fear of getting the disease and passing it along should be a motivator to get vaccinated.
I'm fine with it. I carry the mask with me. If I go to a restaurant, grocery store, other place other people are, I'll put it on. Get vaccinated. We don't have to do it anymore.
With half the state still unvaccinated, including young children, some question whether it was a good idea to lift restrictions a month ago. And one other thing we're seeing increase is the number of workplace outbreaks, more than 30 statewide and climbing. The push now to try and get more people vaccinated. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.